the children love coming out and playing on this. When it's out, it's one of the first things that they go to. Obviously it builds strength for them, they're having to work together as a team, and their coordination has to put the obstacle course together, and then obviously balance to walk over it. So yeah, they're really, really enjoying it. At playtimes and lunch times, it's set up at the side and the children just pull it out and they play with it, they put it together and they build themselves.
I like about when we can build obstacle courses and we can like jump to each and every obstacle course.
It's very good quality, it's very well built, very well put together. It's a really good quality product. It's been brilliant, and like I say, the children love playing with it and sort of ordering it, and having it delivered and everything all worked really well. So yeah, highly recommend it.